Hello everybody. Welcome to Jamal Latif Luxury Channel. Getting your website up and running has never been easier. You can have a great idea on Thursday and start making money online by Saturday. But you need a web hosting service to do it. The cool thing? You can ignore all the techie junk because the host manages all of it for you. The options I like are affordable and walk you through the setup process. You can have a website up and running within an hour or less, even if you've never done it before. Here are my recommendations for the best web hosting services of 2022 for you. Let's start at the bottom of the list. Number 10, GreenGeeks, the best for always-on support. Nothing is more frustrating than having something go wrong and there's no one available to ask for help. And, in the high-stakes world of web hosting, not having a support center to contact is unacceptable. Just think of the lost revenue and frustrated visitors who may never come back if your site is down at a crucial time. With GreenGeeks, you get a robust knowledge base, 24/7 365 live chat support, email support that gets back to you within 15 to 20 minutes, and live phone support available Monday through Sunday from 9 a.m. to midnight, Eastern Standard Time. That's not only a lot of options to get help when you need it, that's support that's always available in the moment. Which is better than a lot of other web hosts out there. Well, not only does GreenGeeks offer the full array of hosting options from basic and WordPress specialized options to VPS and reseller hosting, but they provide an eco-friendly option at incredible prices. GreenGeeks is an eco-conscious hosting solution. You probably guessed that anyway by the name. But they're very committed to offsetting some of the negative environmental impact that maintaining server farms creates. For over a decade, GreenGeeks has been buying renewable energy credits at 300% what they consume. Number 9, SiteGround, the best for WooCommerce hosting. Do you want to sell your products online? Then you're probably in need of a good, reliable WooCommerce hosting service. If that's that case, then you should take a look at SiteGround. They have a dedicated set of hosting plans that will make it easy to get your WooCommerce site off the ground. SiteGround really wants to overdeliver, even if you choose their cheapest options. You get unmetered traffic and 10 GB of storage space on their lowest cost hosting plan. You also get a bunch of useful extras for free, like a CDN, SSL certificate, email, and daily backups, as well as a free site migration and one-click WordPress installation. That all comes in the startup plan, which costs just $3.99 per month. That only requires you to commit to a year as well. A lot of other hosts only give introductory pricing this good on 2 or 3 year upfront commitments. 8. InMotion, the best option for scaling big. Their VPS and dedicated hosting services are far from cheap, but few providers are at this level of the web hosting game. With premium prices come premium services. And it doesn't get more premium than dedicated hosting. You're getting a server all to yourself. So, no matter what heights of popularity your site achieves, it will always be available to visitors and will load in the blink of an eye when they want to stop by. VPS plans scale up in resources from a dual-core processor with 4 GB of RAM and 90 GB of storage all the way up to an 8 CPU cores, 16 GB of RAM, and 360 GB of storage. So, you can get a really souped-up hosting plan this way. Number 7, HostGator, the most affordable option for startups. HostGator give you solid web hosting for one of the lowest rates out there. They're perfect if you're looking for the most affordable way to begin posting online. Shared hosting rates start at a jaw-dropping $2.75 a month. You might not get souped-up hosting features at a price like this, but you're getting a reliable host that gives startups a cheap option to get their website up and running. And, just like Bluehost, they have a responsive telephone line with a live chat you can access at any moment. You can also find a giant database with common questions beginners have, together with professional opinions and solutions to those problems. So, HostGator also works as a fantastically low-risk option for those of you who have never set up hosting for a website before. If you need to host several sites on a simple shared plan and still want a low price, HostGator's intermediate package, called the Baby Plan, starts at only $3.50 per month. Number 6, Cloudways, the easiest way to get the performance boost of cloud hosting. Cloudways, true to its name, delivers the exceptional speed, reliability, and scalability of cloud hosting. With cloud hosting, your site can pull from a wider infrastructure of servers spread across the country or globe. That way, if there are load time or uptime troubles with one, your site can pull the same data from another without a dip in visitor experience. Scalability is another prominent virtue of cloud hosting, and Cloudways makes it easy to tweak resources to your site's exact needs. Start with selecting your initial package. Choose your preferred server provider, selecting from DigitalOcean, Oz, Linode, Vultr, or Google Cloud. Then, select your plan. For each server provider, there are either 4 or 8 options that scale up in terms of RAM, processing power, storage, and allotted bandwidth. Number 5. Nexus, the best for e-commerce hosting. If you want a hands-off hosting solution for your online store, Nexus is an incredibly smart choice. Use coupon code NEIL40 for 40% off 4 months. They offer a fleet of fully managed hosting options, including specialized packages for WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Magento. Plus, you get one-click auto-scaling to handle unexpected traffic spikes, 24/7 monitoring and customer support, and premium SSL certificates to keep your site and visitors safe. So, you get everything you need to start, manage, and scale your online store. On top of the amazing features, Nexus has been around for 20 years with more than 500,000 plus websites under their belt. Number 4. Bluehost, the best for WordPress hosting. If you're looking to set up your website in less than a week, you're probably considering WordPress. And if you're looking for the best hosting option for your WordPress website, you can definitely trust Bluehost. They've been doing WordPress hosting for a long time. You can get a web host that fits your site like a glove and at a very low price, to boot. Plus, it doesn't hurt that Bluehost is one of 3 hosting providers officially recommended by WordPress.org. Their pricing options are competitive. Basic WordPress hosting starts at just $2.95, while mid-tier plans run just over $5 per month. Either way, that makes it easy to get a plan that's more powerful than entry-level for cheap. Number 3. DreamHost, the best option if you want quick and responsive website changes. DreamHost has been going above and beyond for their customers since 1996. Because of their ability to adapt quickly to new trends, they're still considered one of the best in the business. They don't look at your website as just another website. They know that your website is your own vision for the future. Just look at their 2 shared hosting packages. Both are eminently affordable while also including a boatload of useful features and benefits. With Shared Starter, you get 50 GB of storage for one website, up to 5 subdomains, WordPress pre-installed and ready to go for you, and a domain, SSL certificate, and WordPress Builder included for free. Number 2. WP Engine, the best for managed WordPress hosting. With WP Engine, you get a blazing fast and ultra-reliable WordPress site without any work on your part. The company invented the idea of managed WordPress hosting, where the provider takes over all the back-end technical work, and WP Engine is still the leader in the field. WP Engine hosts WordPress exclusively. Their servers are optimized for just this type of site. And when you reach out to customer service, you will be talking to an expert who handles WordPress issues 24/7. Of course, the top-notch uptime, speed, and customer service is not as cheap as some of the others on the list. But if you don't have to hire a WordPress developer to maintain your site's security and performance, or spend time figuring that out yourself, going with WP Engine can actually be cost-effective. Number 1. Hostinger, the best low-cost shared hosting options for startups. Hostinger offers some of the most affordable shared hosting solutions on the market. Their prices literally start at just $1.99 a month. That's a stellar deal. You'll have to sign a 4-year contract to get the lowest monthly rate possible, but that total contract is going to be way less than even a single year with other hosts. You don't get a ton of storage, but your site will be able to handle around 10,000 visits each month, no problem. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.